Some names echo through the halls of science: Newton, Einstein, Galileo. But there are others, whispered in the currents of electricity that power our world. One of those names is Nikola Tesla. He was a man who saw the future and built it piece by piece with coils of copper wire and flashes of insight. Tesla was more than an inventor, he was a visionary. He imagined a world connected by invisible forces powered by the very fabric of the planet. A world where energy was as free as the air we breathe. His mind was a laboratory of dazzling ideas, able to build and test inventions entirely within his imagination. This vivid, almost cinematic mind set him apart, allowing him to leapfrog the slow process of trial and error. He wasn't just solving problems, he was dreaming up new realities. Every time you flip a switch or connect to Wi-Fi, you're touching his legacy. Yet, for much of history, his name was overshadowed by more famous contemporaries. He was a man out of time, a mind so far ahead that the world is still catching up. Understanding Tesla is understanding the foundation of our technological society. So let's embark on a journey into the mind of this remarkable individual. We'll explore the sparks of his early life, the great currents of his inventions, and the bold dreams that nearly came to be. We'll look at the science with the simple wonder it deserves. We'll see how his work transformed the planet and why his story continues to inspire new generations. The universe is full of energy, and Tesla dedicated his life to harnessing it for humanity. His story is a testament to the power of a single brilliant mind. This is the story of Nikola Tesla, the man who dreamed of light. Our journey begins in a small village in the Austrian Empire, now Croatia, where Nikola Tesla was born in 1856, during a fierce lightning storm. Legend says the midwife called it a bad omen, but his mother declared, "He will be a child of light." From a young age, Tesla's mind was different, fascinated by the unseen forces of nature. His mother, Duca, was an inventive spirit herself, encouraging his creativity and memory. His father, a priest, wanted him to join the clergy, but Tesla was drawn to science and mathematics. A near-fatal bout of cholera in his teens changed everything. His father promised he could attend engineering school if he survived. Tesla recovered, convinced his will to pursue science saved him. He studied at the Austrian Polytechnic in Graz, astounding professors with his mental calculations. There, he encountered the flawed direct current motors of the day, and saw a better way. In a flash of insight while reciting poetry in a park, he envisioned the rotating magnetic field. This was the seed of the alternating current motor, an idea that would change the world. Tesla's path was set. He would chase the visions that filled his mind and revolutionize electricity. His early life was marked by relentless curiosity and a drive to unlock the universe's secrets. The alternating current motor was just the beginning. Tesla was now on a collision course with the most famous inventor of his time. The world was about to change. When Tesla arrived in America in 1884, the world ran on direct current, DC, championed by Thomas Edison. DC worked for lighting a few city blocks, but it couldn't travel far. Energy was lost over distance. Tesla knew there was a better way, alternating current, or AC. In AC, electrons vibrate back and forth like a wave, not a river. This allowed electricity to be sent over long distances with minimal loss, thanks to transformers. The war of the currents began. Edison fought to discredit AC, even staging public stunts to scare people. But Tesla's system was superior, more efficient, practical, and scalable. Industrialist George Westinghouse saw the potential, licensed Tesla's patents, and together they illuminated the 1893 Chicago World's Fair. Hundreds of thousands of bulbs turned night into day, powered by AC. Soon after, they built the first major hydroelectric plant at Niagara Falls, sending power to cities miles away. The victory was clear. AC had won. The world's electrical grid would be built on Tesla's vision. The age of AC had begun. Tesla's ideas powered the modern world. The war of the currents was over. The future belonged to alternating current, and Tesla's name would echo through history. How does AC bring power to your home? It starts at a power plant, hydroelectric, nuclear, or gas, where a turbine spins a generator. Coils of wire rotate in a magnetic field, creating an alternating current as the direction flips with each turn. A transformer steps up the voltage to hundreds of thousands of volts, perfect for long-distance travel. High-voltage power travels across transmission lines, minimizing energy loss. At a substation, another transformer steps the voltage down to safer levels. Local power lines carry it to your neighborhood, where a final transformer reduces it to the standard voltage for your home. From the generator to your lamp, It's an unbroken chain of alternating current, stepped up and down by transformers. This system is beautifully simple and immensely powerful. It's the network Tesla envisioned, bringing light and energy to every corner of the world. Every outlet, every light switch is a tribute to his genius. The alternating current system is the backbone of modern civilization. Tesla's vision powers our lives every day. The world runs on his dream. Beyond AC, Tesla's most iconic invention is the Tesla coil, a device that creates spectacular arcs of high-voltage electricity. The coil works on resonance, like pushing a swing at just the right moment to make it soar. Two circuits tuned to the same frequency build up voltage until electricity bursts forth as man-made lightning. Tesla used these coils to explore wireless power and communication, lighting bulbs in his hands with no wires. Today, Tesla coils are symbols of scientific wonder seen in museums and performances, but their importance goes deeper. The principles of resonance and high-frequency circuits are fundamental to modern electronics. Radios, TVs, and cell phones all use these ideas. The Tesla coil was a gateway to understanding the invisible waves that connect our world. Tesla painted with lightning and revealed the hidden power of the electromagnetic spectrum. Long before radio was a household word, Tesla was laying its scientific foundation. While Marconi built the first commercial system, Tesla's patents described the essential elements: antennas, tuning, and continuous waves. He envisioned a world system, broadcasting news, music, and even pictures globally. Tesla's approach was sophisticated, using tuned circuits to allow multiple signals without interference, the principle behind changing radio stations today. Though a fire destroyed his lab and Marconi received the credit, the Supreme Court later upheld Tesla's patents. He foresaw not just point-to-point messaging, but global mass communication, decades ahead of his time. Tesla understood how to tame the unseen waves that now connect us all. Tesla's most audacious dream was wireless power for all, energy broadcast through the air, free and limitless. In Colorado Springs, he built massive coils, generating artificial lightning and studying the Earth's electrical properties. He believed the planet could conduct energy, allowing anyone to draw power from the air. With J.P. Morgan's backing, Tesla began building the Wardenclyffe Tower, a prototype for global wireless energy. The plan pumped energy into the Earth's crust and atmosphere, accessible by simple receivers anywhere. But when Morgan realized Tesla's goal was free energy, he withdrew funding. The project collapsed. The tower was never completed. Tesla's vision was too radical for his era. The world wasn't ready for wireless power, yet the idea still inspires scientists today. Tesla's dream of energy for all remains a beacon for the future. His ambition pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Why study Tesla? Because he shows the power of imagination in science. His breakthroughs began with vision, not just data. Tesla's life is a lesson in thinking big, asking what if, and not being limited by the present. He was a brilliant inventor but struggled as a businessman, highlighting the complex relationship between science and commerce. His story teaches that great ideas need both creativity and practical support. Tesla's principles are the foundation of modern engineering and physics. Wireless charging, electric vehicles, and global communication all trace back to his work. He never stopped learning or dreaming, even in isolation. Tesla embodies relentless curiosity and the spirit of exploration. For anyone pursuing science, he's a guiding star. Tesla proves one mind can change the world. Today, Tesla's name is more famous than ever, on electric cars, in wireless charging, and as a symbol of visionary genius. His greatest legacy is the invisible one, the hum of alternating current powering our lives, the global network of communication he foresaw. The conveniences we take for granted, light, power, instant connection, are built on his foundation. Tesla didn't just invent devices, he invented the infrastructure of the modern world. His pursuit of clean, renewable energy is more relevant than ever. Wireless power, once fantasy, is being re-examined for the future. Tesla's thinking, global, sustainable, for all, offers a blueprint for tomorrow's innovators. He was more than a child of light, he was a giver of light. Though he died in obscurity, his ideas live on, shaping our electrified, interconnected world. Tesla saw lightning and dreamed of taming it. In so many ways, he succeeded.